Hello viewers, welcome back to another amazing video. Today in this video I will show you how to bypass FRP on Samsung Android devices using the for you key tool method. First we will check the phone. Here you can clearly see that the device is asking for previously pattern lock. That means FRP lock is active on this device. So let's go start it. For you key for Android is a professional Samsung FRP tool that can bypass FRP lock without needing the Google account and also remove various Android screen locks like pattern, fingerprint and face lock. First, open the tool on your PC and select Remove Google Lock FRP. Now connect your Samsung device with a USB cable, choose your Android version and click Start. Then simply follow on the screen instruction shown by the software. After a few minutes, the FRP lock will be removed automatically and your phone will be revert with full access restored. Let's start the tutorial. For you key for Android is a great option for users who want a quick and simple FRP bypass solution. The software is beginner friendly, easy to navigate, and the instructions are very clear even for the first time users. One small thing to note is that result can vary depending on the Android version or latest security patch. But overall the tool performs really well and saves a lot of time compared to manual methods. If you want to try for you key for Android for your Huawei or Samsung devices, check the link in description below. Also don't forget to open the pinned comment in the top for quick and easy access to tool.